Welcome to AquaTrip's Plumbers Installation Training Video Part 2, installing the shutoff valve and control unit. No matter which system you are installing, you will have to fit the shutoff valve first. This process is the same no matter which model you are installing. Before installation, there are several factors you must consider. Firstly, consider the accessibility of the shutoff valve and control unit for installation, programming and future maintenance. The level of plumbing protection which will be afforded by the location of the shutoff valve and the control unit. Consider also radio communication range factors. Ensure nothing can shield the radio signal. For hardwired systems, ensure there is good cable access and a suitable power point is nearby. The AquaTrip must be fitted on the incoming main water pipe after the stopcock, the water meter, and most importantly, after any fire suppression system lines. It is very important that the AquaTrip is fitted after the fire suppression system. If there is a pressure reduction valve, fit the AquaTrip after the PRV. The shutoff valve must be mounted horizontally in order to keep the control unit in a vertical plane. If you install the shutoff valve vertically, you must use a 90-degree adapter. When you first install it, do not install the spacer nipple. Install the adapter on its own. Make sure it is in close to the vertical plane. Then unscrew it. Put the spacer nipple into the adapter, screw in again and tighten. Once it is tight, you use the small silver screw and screw that in to the base of the grey valve, keeping the control unit vertical. If the control unit is not kept vertical, it will not work. Before installation, close the main stopcock. Then release the pressure in the line by opening a tap. The shutoff valve is directional. The direction of the arrow on the valve must match the direction of the water flow. After you have installed the shutoff valve, remove the service plug. Remove the dust cap from the base of the control unit and screw the control unit into the shutoff valve. Do not use heavy-duty batteries with any AquaTrip product. You can use lithium batteries or alkaline batteries. To insert the batteries, you must first remove the lid by clasping the two clips on either side and gently rocking the lid. Remove the battery holder. Take the new battery and carefully note the polarity and match it to the polarity on the holder. Before you reinsert the battery holder, you must see if there are any factory default settings you want to change. These will be discussed in Section 3. When you put the lid back on, make sure you line up the display screen and ensure the two lid clips clip into place on the base. If you are installing the PVC valve, you can bleed the valve after you turn the main water supply back on. This is not necessary with the stainless steel valve. If you're installing the shutoff valve outside or underground, install a suitable ground box to protect the AquaTrip from the elements. Do not fit the AquaTrip control unit and shutoff valve in an area where it is likely to be exposed to freezing conditions. If you are installing an AT401, the installation of the shutoff valve and control unit will look like this.